Here's the BeLive screen. I'm going to log in, which is connected to Facebook. I'm going to create a new broadcast, do a talk show, and this is going to show up only on my timeline and only to me because that's the way I've set it up. So my guests don't need to worry about being on a live broadcast if that's concerning. I'm going to connect my camera. There I am, and I'm going to start my broadcast. Now I'm going to invite my friend by copying the link, and I can send it to him via email or whatever. I am going to send it to him over Skype so he can log in because he's there waiting for me. And when he does, his video will show up over here. And now we are being recorded, and I am showing a separate screen. Let's say I'm going to add my screen so that you and my followers can see what using this software is like. There's the three of us, and right now we're sharing it that way, and I can move it around, and now we can look at your screen, my screen, and us. And that's our demo. Thanks.